Virch class. Fred's back to help us with another new sound. Are you ready to see what it is? It's two letters again that make one sound. It's called a digraph. Let's have a look. It says E. Can you say E? E. Your turn. E. Let's shout it. Ready? E. Whisper it. E. The sound is E. I'm going to say some words that have the E sound in, and I want you to have a go at saying them too. Are you ready? Queen. Queen. Can you hear the E sound? Queen. You say? Good job. Are you ready? Green. Green. Can you hear the E sound? Green. Ready for the next one? B. 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 Tree. Tree. Can you hear the sound? E in tree. E. Good job. I'm going to write some words with the E sound in now, and we're going to practice reading them together. Are you ready? B-E. B-E. You say the sounds. What does it say together? Let's blend them. B-E. B. B. E was at the end of that word, wasn't it? Should we have another go? Seed. 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 Did you say seed? Good job. Let's try another one. Eat. 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 Feet. Smelly feet. Yuck. E. 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 See. I see you. I hope you've enjoyed learning all about the E sound. It was in lots of different words. I wonder if you can have a go with your magnetic letters at making some words with the E sound in. I'd love to see what you can do. I'll see you soon, Virch class. Bye-bye.